So, you think your programming language makes you smarter? It does. But mostly it makes you annoying in very specific ways. Python fan? I can guess your personality in 3 lines of code. JavaScript? Don't even get me started. Let's roast your favorite language. And probably your ego. Because if you can't laugh at your code will laugh at you. Python devs are the minimalists of the programming world. They believe white space is sacred. Semicolons are evil. And if your code doesn't look like a haiku, you're doing it wrong. They'll solve every problem with a list comprehension, then brag about how readable it is, until you're the poor soul debugging that one-liner at 3 a.m. They say Python is for everyone, but watch them rage when someone mixes tabs and spaces. They pretend to hate Java, but deep down, they copy half the syntax when convenient. And if you think you're safe with pip, wait until you fight the dependency hell monster. JavaScript devs are basically chaos goblins in hoodies. They'll say, "It works on my machine," while their code silently breaks in production for users in 3 different time zones. One day they're writing clean ES6, the next they're knee-deep in React hooks they don't understand, and by Friday, they've rage quit and decided to rewrite the whole thing in TypeScript, which they also barely understand. They love callbacks, hate promises, then love promises, then hate async. And if they break something, don't worry, they'll just npm install another 1,000 dependencies to patch the patch. Java devs believe the word enterprise should be tattooed on their foreheads. They love design patterns so much, they'll invent new ones just to feel something. Need a simple CRUD app? Cool, here's a 42-layer inheritance tree, an abstract factory for your singleton, and an interface for your interface. They'll proudly say, Java is modern now, right after they open Eclipse for the 10th year in a row, wondering why half the plugins don't work. And good luck reading that 500-line stack trace when you forgot a null check. Rust devs are the philosophers of the dev world. They'll lecture you on memory safety and lifetimes while rewriting their entire project for the 5th time because the borrow checker wants me to grow as a person. They brag about zero-cost abstractions, strict compiler checks, and spend weekends converting their friends into the Rust cult. Meanwhile, their hobby project has exactly 0 users, runs flawlessly, but only on their machine, and they're okay with that. They're not here to ship, they're here to ascend. If you still willingly write C or C++, congratulations. You either really love pain, or you're getting paid more than everyone else to suffer in silence. These devs treat segfaults like casual speed bumps and undefined behavior like an exciting plot twist. They measure their worth by how many compiler flags they can summon from memory, and they'll tell you with a straight face that manual memory management builds character, because they've already lost theirs trying to fix that one dangling pointer that's haunted them since college. So, what does your programming language say about you? That you're brilliant, stubborn, and probably a little insufferable. And honestly, that's fine. Someone's got to keep Stack Overflow entertaining at 2 a.m. Drop your favorite language in the comments, or roast someone else's. Smash like, subscribe for more developer therapy, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next rant. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.